Choose manufacturer as Hon66 code. Input key code MO81. Click Do Search. Select corresponding data according to key type. Click Search button. Enter Hon6-6. Press Search button. Choose Silica. Choose Hon66 1341 6-6. Click Input. Input bitting numbers according to SEC code. Click OK button. Click Cut button. Choose NKL Silver Speed. Click the image of 3 terminal position. Please note the key should be fixed horizontally. You can adjust cutting depth if needed. Click Cut. Please close the safe gate. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp, the new key. Take out the new key. Change the other side of the new key on the number 1 clamp for cutting. Cutting. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp, the new key. Take out the new key. Now, you can have a try if the new key works.